Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with the platform. Xendoo offers a comprehensive suite of online accounting services specifically tailored for small to medium-sized businesses. Their platform provides a variety of tools and features designed to streamline financial management and provide business owners with clear insights into their financial health. Key features include bookkeeping, reconciliation, and reporting, all accessible through a user-friendly online interface. Xendoo aims to simplify accounting processes by automating many tedious tasks. They handle the day-to-day financial operations, allowing business owners to focus on growth and strategic decision-making. This includes categorizing transactions, reconciling bank accounts, and generating financial reports, freeing up valuable time and resources. A standout feature of Xendoo is its dedicated team of expert bookkeepers. Users gain access to experienced professionals who provide personalized support and guidance. This human touch complements the automated features, ensuring accuracy and providing a valuable resource for financial questions and concerns. Furthermore, Xendoo offers scalable solutions, adapting to the evolving needs of businesses as they grow. This flexibility allows companies to start with basic bookkeeping services and add more complex features as required. This scalability makes Xendoo a viable long-term financial management solution. The platform's reporting capabilities provide users with a clear overview of their financial performance. Through customizable dashboards and reports, business owners can track key metrics, identify trends, and make informed decisions. This real-time financial visibility is crucial for effective business management. Xendoo also prioritizes data security, employing industry-standard encryption and security protocols to protect sensitive financial information. This commitment to security ensures that business data is safeguarded and handled responsibly. By automating core accounting functions and providing expert support, Xendoo empowers businesses to optimize their financial operations and gain valuable insights into their performance. This comprehensive approach to online accounting makes Xendoo a compelling solution for businesses seeking to streamline their financial processes and focus on growth. Consider exploring their services and discovering how Xendoo can transform your business's financial management.